Welcome back to Retire Smart, the uninitiated guide. I'm Tanila Alonso, here to make sense of all the numbers without overwhelming you. Today, we're talking about one of the biggest questions people have, which is how much money will I need to actually retire? Well, come on, let's break that down for a moment. Now, if you're like most people, you've heard big, scary numbers thrown around like you need $1 million to retire. But here's the truth, there's no one size that fits all kind of number. Your retirement number depends on three key factors. One is your lifestyle goals. So, for example, do you want to travel? Are you planning to downsize? Do you want to keep your current home? Another would be your expected retirement age. Will you retire at 55, 65, or later? Now, those are very critical questions because it definitely determines your numbers. And then finally, what would be your monthly expenses in retirement? For example, housing, healthcare, hobbies, emergencies. Now, financial experts often say that you need about 70 or 80% of your pre retirement income each year to maintain your lifestyle. So, for example, if you earn 100,000 a year now, you might need about 70,000 to 80,000 a year in retirement. But let's simplify this. You can calculate your number by estimating your actual expenses. So I'm going to help you with a basic formula that you can work with. So if you have a pen and paper, you can take that out at this time and we'll do it together. Estimate perhaps your monthly retirement expenses. Think about housing, food, healthcare, even fun. And once you have that number, multiply it by 12 for your yearly expenses. Do you have it? Okay, now I want you to multiply that by 25 to 30 years, which is the average retirement length. This will give you a ballpark total. So, for example, if you need $4,000 a month in expenses, then that would equal to $48,000 for the year. And then when you add 25 years of retirement, you're looking at a normal 1.2 million. Yeah, that may sound pretty high, but it's just a simple estimation. And if it sounds intimidating, please don't worry. We'll break it down even more with some tools. And this leads us to what action you can take next. I have designed a retirement gap calculator. You can download this calculator, plug in your income, current expenses, desired lifestyle, and it'll show you how close you are to hitting your number and what steps you can take next. So, thanks for tuning in to Retire Smart, the uninitiated guide. Next time, we'll talk about essential insurance products that protect your retirement because retirement isn't just about saving, it's about securing your future. Don't forget to subscribe and grab your calculator at the link below. Take care and see you soon.